Alright, the next set of updates that I have are about WhatsApp, and WhatsApp is trying to come up with a QR functionality for adding contacts and to add more people to your WhatsApp profile. Now, just like how Facebook and Instagram had the QR feature released where you could add somebody by scanning their QR code, now that feature is available in WhatsApp. That they're working on that feature. The next set of updates that I have about WhatsApp is that WhatsApp ads may be sooner than you could actually expect. Now, how it is going to turn around, what impact would it have on the user base that it has, is something that we have to wait and watch, because nobody wants to deal with advertisements or online ads when you're trying to message your friends or contacts. So we still have to wait and watch how this is going to pan out, but let's see how this turns out to be. The next set of updates that I have are from Instagram, and Instagram has 3 updates today. The first update being Buffer.com. This is not technically an Instagram update, but this is for Instagram, so it kind of makes sense. Buffer.com, which is a social media scheduling tool, has brought something called as a story creator, which is helpful to create stories on Instagram. So how do you access it? You go by using, or you just go to www.buffer.com/stories creator. You will find the tool where you can create stories for your Instagram. Now, I will also showcase how that works here while you watch this video. Now, if you remember, when social media scheduling was new and there were only 2 players called Hootsuite and Buffer, Buffer was getting creative by introducing something called as Pablo. So buffer.com/Pablo would take you to this is even before Canva was there. So you just go to buffer.com/Pablo and you were able to design some minimalistic images that you could start posting on your social media platforms. When Canva came, of course, things changed. Now Buffer has jumped onto this train of helping you create Instagram stories by using their inbuilt app. On Instagram stories, you can now respond to people's stories through, you can react to people's stories using quick replies. That's a very interesting feature, because now interacting with people on Instagram stories is becoming easier by the day. Now, Instagram finally launches the much spoken about feature, which is your activity. Now, scroll to your right on your Instagram profile, you will see something called as your activity. Click on that or tap on that. You will see the average time that you spend on Instagram. You can go ahead and set limits to how much time or notifications to let you know, where Instagram would tell you, if you have crossed your set limit, the amount of time that you're spending on Instagram. Now it is available in all the advertisers' Instagram profiles. LinkedIn has got a lot of changes brought into their pages. Now LinkedIn pages are going the Facebook route, as I said. Now you can start handling LinkedIn pages from the app itself, from the mobile app. Now along with that, they're also letting you include a call to action phrase on your LinkedIn pages, which was not there before. Something like a book now, contact now, visit site now, buy now, whatever it could be. Now the next feature that you could do using your company pages on LinkedIn is they're also giving you the functionality where you can have a lot of content enhancements done. You could start sharing content with your employees who follow the company page. There are a lot of things that LinkedIn is working upon. You compose something on LinkedIn, in your compose slot where you put in some content to be posted on your LinkedIn, you have an option now to get that posted directly onto your groups as well. Now the third piece of update, and possibly the last piece of update by LinkedIn, is LinkedIn is making a lot of enhancements, and it is just not giving up, enhancing the UI UX and the functionality of LinkedIn groups. That's about it from LinkedIn, and now let's jump on and see what Facebook has in store. Stay tuned. Facebook is leaving no stone unturned when it comes to revamping their platform, introducing new features, and killing it throughout. Now, Facebook, the recent update by Facebook is Facebook has launched very quietly launched a tool called Lasso, which happens to be a competitor for Musical.ly. That's known to everybody now. The second thing that happens is Facebook launches something called as Bonfire, which is a group calling feature which is available in Facebook now in certain countries and certain accounts. And they've also integrated with Facebook Messenger. Now that's an interesting thing. Facebook has a lot of ongoing changes being done to Messenger, and there are if you start off, for example, if you start talking about Facebook's unsend feature, now when you unsend a message on using this option, now instead of in WhatsApp you will see this message was deleted, but in Facebook you will see a tombstone which mentions that there was something here but which is dead now at this point in time. So it is making those kind of interactions interactive things. And Facebook has also introduced a lot of text animations to your messenger when you start texting or messaging people on using Facebook Messenger. Now Facebook M, which is the voice assistant of Facebook, is auto prompting you to wish your friends on birthdays without you having to type it. This is just the beginning, all of us know, and we just have to wait and watch until where could it extend the functionality and the flexibility too. Facebook Reactions is a feature where you could react to people's stories on Facebook. Now that is being extended to another set of users now, so it's slowly releasing it to a lot of users now. And Facebook is really speeding up and accelerating the attack towards LinkedIn by introducing three most prominent features, which is e-learning, mentorship program, and job applications. Now Facebook is going to start focusing more upon e-learning services like how LinkedIn does through LinkedIn Learning. Now along with that, you will also have something called as mentorship program, which is very big on LinkedIn. And along with that, you have something where LinkedIn is known for job applications and applying for jobs. Now Facebook is trying to ramp up these kind of features and making it really big when it comes to these services. It is reported that Facebook is working on a new disappearing post or a message or a photo or a video sort of feature, like how Snapchat was doing it, where you could send a picture or a video to somebody and it would get automatically deleted or it would disappear once you leave the conversation. Alright, so Facebook is getting Watch Party to Facebook Messenger, which was only available to Pages at first, and then it got extended to Groups, and now it's available to Facebook Messenger as well. Now Facebook along with all the updates Facebook is also asking you now, if you decide to leave a group or exit a group, they're trying to ask you why are you leaving the group, so that it will help the group moderators, admins, and Facebook understand if there is something wrong with with recommendation of the groups or anything of that sort. Alright, now Facebook is also launching a rating sticker to Facebook Stories. Now you could say, let's say you come up with something, let's say you bought a new pair of shoes and then you post it in your Facebook story, and you can ask people to rate it for you, or it could go, you can ask people to rate anything that you want. Now people are very, very interested to engage with anything of this sort. Now the Facebook rating sticker should really give you that option where you can engage a lot of people. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's about it from me. This is the end of episode 29, and it's going to be a big day tomorrow with the episode number 30. No surprises, no gifts, nothing exciting which you have not seen already, but I'm just excited because it's the 30th episode. Stay tuned, and as always, please subscribe to this channel if you have not already done that. I need your love and support. Thank you so much, guys. This is Casey signing off.